Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming permissions and picking the file pair you'll work with. Open the Google Sheet with your data and the Google Doc where you want updates to appear. Make sure you own or have edit access to both, otherwise linking won't persist. Once done, decide if you need a pasted snapshot, a linked table, or a linked chart, because the steps diverge. Now position the dock cursor where the data should land and switch back to the sheet to select the exact range. You'll select the precise range or chart in Sheets and copy it. This establishes the source. Switch to the dock and paste. Watch for the small prompt offering paste options. Make sure to pick link to spreadsheet rather than paste unlinked. That creates the live connection. Once linked, the embedded object shows a small update button when the sheet changes. If you need styling, use docs formatting sparingly because excessive edits can break layout. Instead, adjust in Sheets and reapply if necessary. You'll finalize by confirming the link updates as expected. Edit the sheet, return to the doc, and click Update. If you need a static snapshot, use Unlink after confirming the content. Make sure to keep file names and folders stable. Moving the sheet or revoking access will break the link. If an update fails, check sharing settings first, then verify the exact range still exists and the file wasn't renamed. As a key tip, restore access and relink if the embedded object shows a broken link icon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.